And welcome back to Primetime News. A special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com. We begin with news that Travis Ellis, the man charged for the murder of retired journalist Barbara Gayle, has confessed to the killing. Ellis reportedly made the confession while giving a caution statement to CIB detectives on Tuesday. Our news center was informed that he told investigators that he killed the veteran journalist for her GLE 180 Mercedes-Benz motor vehicle. It was parked in her yard at the Caymanas Country Club estate in St. Catherine. He said he had planned to sell the vehicle. Ellis has been charged with murder and robbery with aggravation. He's scheduled to appear before the St. Catherine Parish Court next week. Ms. Gayle was found dead at her residence on December 17. Her body had multiple stab wounds. Her Mercedes GLE Benz, which was stolen by the suspect, was found a day later in bushes along the Dyke Road in Portmore. Ellis was arrested by the police while hiding in bushes in Grange Lane, St. Catherine last week.